In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this robotic training glove. All right. So taking a look, comes with a guide. Got a little ball in here. Comes with this, we'll get into what this is later. Comes with an AC adapter and a USB to USB-C charger. This appears to be the unit that kind of controls everything. It looks like last but not least, right here, I believe we have the glove. Let's see. So yeah, right here we have the glove. Looking at the glove, we got the cable in here that I actually believe plugs into here. So let's take a look. So this is the side that looks like plugs in. Plug is going to be right here. Let's see if we can get that plugged in. All right, so got that all plugged in. All right, let's see if we can get this plugged in as well. And now I've got it all turned on. So got it turned on. Now let's take a look at how to really get this on. All right, so when it comes to putting this on, you can see we got 5 fingers right here. And now we've got it on there. This right here actually appears to be a remote of sorts. All right, so want to just quickly show you on here that there are different buttons and controls. There is M, I believe that's manual. There's plus, there's minus, there's play, there's pause. And like it looks like there are different gestures that you can do. Here's my hand right here. When I turn it on, it kind of just starts going. And it really works to flex your hands. So just to show you how it works, I'm gonna turn it on, and then it immediately starts flexing. This is just, and it's doing that all on its own. Honestly, it feels kind of good. So it's just flexing and unflexing. One thing I wish I had done was maybe made this a little tighter. Feel like I feel it a little better. It is working to flex and unflex my hand, but this is kind of going. So there are different settings, so you can kind of go in and increase the intensity or increase the speed. So I believe right now it's going a little bit faster, but if I want to slow down, you can bring it down, and it's slowed down considerably. And then right here on the M, this is for mode. Honestly, I don't know what this mode, I don't know what. So M changes the mode, I believe. So just by pressing different things, you get kind of different settings. So you can see right here, it has one finger kind of going. It looks like it has one finger going at a time right now. And it's kind of taking turns with each finger. All right, so this is pretty cool. And you can see right here, there are different fingers. If I want to isolate fingers and just focus on one, I can do that by tapping on here. And now it's just going to focus on that one. Now it's going back to the one that I isolated, which is just the middle finger. And it's just going to be flexing it. So if you want this to target a finger, you can have it target a finger. If you want to increase the speed, you can increase the speed. If you want to slow it down, you can slow it down. If you want to speed it up, you can speed it up. If you want to change the modes, you can change the mode. And yeah, all that good stuff. Well, all in all, when it comes down to this, I have to say this is an amazing piece of technology. This is really cool. All right, when it comes to rehabilitation, there have been times I have not been able to move my fingers. I wish that I had something like this to kind of help me get my motion back faster. If you are wondering if this works, if it's legit, it's legit.